Okay, welcome back students again. As you see, number of model of method of irrigation, okay, in which we are supplying water, we are lifting water from ground and we are supplying to the field. Okay, after irrigation, we have to focus next method, and this next method is very important because in which we are protecting our crops is grown in field. Now we have to protect crops. Okay, so this method is known as protection of crop. Okay, we are protecting crop from, so first we are protecting crops from weeds. So first is we have to protect crop from weeds, and second we have to protect crop from pests, and third we have to protect crop from diseases. Okay, so there are three kind of the things from which our crop will be harmed. Okay, so we have to protect our crop from weeds, from pests, from disease. Okay, one by one we will discuss. First is weeds. Protection from weeds. So we should know what are weeds. So weeds are unwanted plant which grown along with main crop. Okay, we are growing wheat crop, we are growing mustard crop, we are growing paddy. So along with each main crops, number of unwanted plants grow. Okay, if unwanted plants grow, so why should we think about these? Because these plants will grow and at parallel to the main crop, then what will happen? These unwanted plants will compete. These plants will compete to main crop for nutrients, for water, for sunlight. Okay, so main plants have to fight for their survival with these unwanted plants. So growth of main crop will be very less, and it will affect also production of crop. So what we have to do? We have to remove these weeds from field. We have to remove these weeds from field. Okay, if we are removing these weeds from field, then that is known as weedicide. So weedicide means removal of weeds from field is known as weedicide. Okay, how can we remove weeds from field? So there are number of methods by which we can remove. First is manual method. Okay, so in manual method, what we will do? In manual method, we will remove weeds from field. We will uproot weeds crop from field and we will throw. Okay, मतलब हम वहाँ से बीज को उखाड़ेंगे और फेंक देंगे. ओके, ठीक है. तो इसमें क्या कर रहे हैं? मैनुअल मेथड. वी आर अपरूटिंग बीड्स फ्रॉम field and we will throw it out. Okay. Second, we will also remove beads from field by using some tools like that. We will remove weeds by using kurpi. Okay, that is also known as kurpa or kurpi. This kurpa or kurpi we are using, or this tool is also known as trawl. Okay, so we will use trawl to remove weeds from field and we will throw these weeds. Okay, now third we will use hoe. Okay, hoe we will use to remove weeds from field. So these are the manual method by which we can remove weeds from field. Now next method is known as chemical. By using chemicals. Okay, in this method we will spraying of chemicals in fields. Okay, if we will spray chemicals in fields, so these chemicals will attack on weeds and weeds will remove from the field. And these chemicals we are using to remove weeds, and these chemicals also known as weedicide, because we are using these chemicals to remove weeds, so these chemicals are known as weedicides. So what are weedicides? Weedicides are generally we are using 2,4-D, and second we are using MCPA. So what is 2,4-D? 2,4-D is 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. Okay, so this 2,4-D is known as 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. And what is MCPA? MCPA is 2-methyl 4-chloro 1-phenoxy acetic acid. So these are the chemicals which we are using to remove weeds from field, and these chemicals are known as weedicide because these are using to remove weeds in field. Next method is this we can write third method. We can grow leguminous crop in field. If we are growing leguminous crop, so these crop will release toxic acid in field, and these toxic acids does not allow to grow weeds in field. Okay, so by growing leguminous plant, crops. Okay, example: soyabean and sunflower. These crops release toxic acid in field. So these toxic acid does not allow to grow weeds in field. So number of methods are there by which we can remove weeds from field. One is manual method, second one is by using chemicals, and generally we are using two chemicals, 2,4-D and MCPA. 2,4-D is known as 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. MCPA is known as 2-methyl 4-chloro 1-phenoxyacetic acid. Generally we are using these two chemicals to remove weeds from field. Now we have to focus on control of insects. Generally insects are are destroying crops in field. Okay, and these insects are, second is protection from insects. Okay. Generally what will happen, insects will develop in field and these insects will damage crops like that termites, locusts. Termites means locusts and termites. Okay, these are the insects which will develop in field and these will destroy crop. Okay, so we have to use insecticides. Okay, so we will use insecticides to stop growth of insects and also for their destruction purpose. Okay, so we will use insecticide to stop growth of insects and also for destroying purpose of insect. Now we have to stop growth of rodenticide also, because rodenticides also affecting growth of the plant. They are damaging roots of the plant. So what will happen? Plants will not grow. Okay. So rodenticides mean rats. Okay. So we have to use chemicals by which we can control growth of rats in field, and also these chemicals will destroy rats in field. So these termites, locusts and rats will not harm our crop. Okay. So these are the methods by which we can save or protect our crop. Okay, now there is one question for you. You have to find out numbers of bees which grown parallel to the main crop. Okay, how many? Approximate 4 bees name you have to write. Okay, 4 bees name you have to write. Thank you. Have a nice day.